A very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well. You are studying regularly at your home. Now in today's class, we will be starting the new chapter, that is chapter number 13, the solar system. Solar system. First of all, what is a solar system? Sun. How many planets are there total? 8 planets. So the sun, 8 planets, moon and heavenly objects which are present in the space, this all together they are known as the solar system. Now what are planets? Do the planets have their own light like the sun, moon? They are having their own light. Do the planets also have their own light? In which planet do we live? We live on Earth. Only how many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets, and we live on the Earth. Only on the Earth the life it is possible, and we all live on the Earth. Now the sun, it is there at the center, and all these 8 planets, they revolve around the sun in a fixed orbit. This round circle, it is the orbit. They revolve in the fixed orbit. Isn't it surprising? All these 8 planets, they revolve in a fixed orbit. They do not collapse each other. They revolve in the fixed orbit. Total 8 planets are there. What are their names? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Students, we used to study the 9th planet also. When we were student, we used to study in our science book that total 9 planets are there. But now in your book it is there total 8 planets are there. What was the 9th planet name? It was the Pluto. We used to study the 9th planet. The 9th one was the Pluto. But Pluto, it is now no more considered as a planet. It is the dwarf planet. What does the word dwarf it means? Dwarf means very small. So this Pluto, it is not considered now as a planet because it is of very small size. Only 8 planets are there. Now the planets, are they having the light of their own? No. The planets, they are not having the light of their own. Now students, let us read from the book. You can take out page number 104 of your book. Take out page number 104 of your book, the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Each planet, they revolve around the sun in its own orbit. This is the orbit, and each planet, they revolve around the sun in its own orbit. What are planets? They are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They do not have any light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Now the solar system. The sun, 8 planets, their moons and heavenly objects, this all, they form the solar system. The 8 planets in order of increasing distance from the sun. First is the Mercury, then Mercury, Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. Pluto was considered as the 9th planet. Earlier there were 9 planets, but now you study only 8 planets. Now Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of the solar system until scientists reclassified it as a dwarf planet. What is the meaning of dwarf? Dwarf means very small in size. On August 24, 2006, International Astronomical Union redefined planets. What is a person name who used to study about the space, about the planets? Astronaut. So the astronaut, they studied and they classified it as this planet, it is very, very small. So we will not consider further it as a planet. Pluto did not fit into the definition and is now considered as a dwarf planet. What are the other dwarf planets? not only these 8 planets in the universe, so many small dwarf planets are present. What are their names? Ceres, Eris, etc. Dwarf planets also revolve around the sun in the fixed orbit. Dwarf means very small planet. They also revolve around the earth, revolve around the sun in a fixed orbit. Now let us read about these planets one by one. First of all, let us read about the sun, which is there at the center. The sun is a hot ball of glowing gas that gives us heat and light. It is in the center of solar system and it is the star nearest to earth. You know that the sun is a star. What is the nearest star to the earth? It is the sun. The nearest and the largest star to the earth, it is the sun, and sun it is there at the center and it is very hot. Second, let us study about Mercury. It is the planet which is closer to the sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury, of this 8 planets, if we compare the size, the Mercury, it is the smallest planet. Of this total 8 planets, which one is smaller? Mercury. Let us study about now Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. We can see it in the night sky. It looks like a bright star in the early morning or evening. It is also called as the morning star or evening star. What is the other name of the Venus? Morning star or evening star. This Venus planet, it is very hot. Why? Because it is present nearer to the sun. The third is the Earth, that is our planet on which we live. The Earth, it is also called as the blue planet. If we see the picture of the planet of the Earth, it is blue in color. Why? Because on Earth surface, it is mostly covered with the water bodies like oceans, river, lakes, water body. It is covered with more the water body, so it appears blue in color. It is only planet where life exists. It is called the blue planet since 70% of its surface is covered with water. Fourth, it is the Mars. It is called the red planet because of the reddish brown appearance due to red rusty dust. The Mars planet, it is reddish in appearance. Like Earth, it appears blue in color. The Mars, it is red in color. So, it is also called as the red planet. Because on Mars, red dust, it is there. You know that the life, maybe after the Earth, it may be possible on the Mars also. The astronauts, they are studying this now. Jupiter. Next is the Jupiter. It is the largest and fastest spinning planet in the solar system. 3 thin rings of dust encircle Jupiter. Which one is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. And which one was the smallest? Mercury. Jupiter planet, it also spins in a very high speed and it is the largest planet of our solar system. Next comes the Saturn. It is surrounded by several shining rings around it. Its rings are made of ice, rocks and dust. The next is the 7th planet, Uranus. It is the first planet discovered by using a telescope. You know that we can see all these planets by using telescope. The telescope, it is used to see very far away things. So the Uranus, it was discovered by using the telescope. It is the only planet that spins on its side. Last one is the Neptune. Neptune, it is farthest planet from the sun. It looks blue in color. Cold wind blows very fast in Neptune. The Neptune, it is very hottest, very coldest planet because it is very far from the sun and cold wind it blows in Neptune planet. So Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are 4 inner planets made of rock. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are 4 outer planets made of gases. All outer planets have ring. So we can say that total 8 planets are there. Of this 4 planets, they are known as the inner planet, and this 4 planets, they are known as the outer planet. Inner planet, they are made of the rocks, and the outer planets, they are made of the gases. And all these outer planets, they are having gas, the ring of gases around them. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.